It's 9:30 in the morning and we're off to IKEA. Let's go!
Welcome to IKEA Philippines, the home of affordable, quality furniture for every Filipino home. Working on the perfect space? You've come to the right place. Come and experience the biggest blue box in the world. Well, the universe rather. IKEA opened its biggest store in the world in the Philippines with the new 730,000 square foot facility in Manila, a cornerstone of the home furnishings giant's expansion plans in Asia. While it's open to the public, IKEA is sticking to COVID-19 protocols after the store's opening was delayed amid the pandemic, with an online booking system that's full for the next 2 weeks. The spread houses a two-level 270,000 square foot store, dining area and showroom, warehouses, an e-commerce facility, and a call center. It's on property leased out by SM Prime Holdings Mall of Asia. Shopping can be exhausting, especially in IKEA. But if you need a break, you can eat and try out IKEA's famous meatballs for as low as 79 pesos. Even with its no booking, no shopping policy, a considerable crowd still turn up at the grand opening of IKEA Philippines, where health protocols were enforced to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Okay, so just a quick update. We're in the middle of nowhere, like at the bedroom section, where, yeah, this is really big. This is like the largest IKEA in the whole world. I don't know. What I really like about IKEA is that you can try their bed. So comfy.
But before you plan to visit IKEA, take note that as a COVID-19 safety measure, the store is limiting the volume of people. Walk-ins are not allowed. To visit, you can book an appointment at their website. I'll just put that link down at the description box. So, what are you waiting for? Book an appointment now and visit the largest IKEA in the whole world, IKEA Philippines.